Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Flyer. Today I'm going to show you a really cool WhatsApp trick. How to send a message to any number without saving it in your contacts. This is super useful if you just want to message someone temporarily. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and go to your own chat by sending a message to yourself. Now, in your own chat, type or paste the number you want to message. After that, simply tap on the number. WhatsApp will automatically check it and a pop up will appear. You'll see three options: chat with number, call on WhatsApp, and add to contacts. Just tap on chat with number and boom, the chat window opens instantly. And now you can message without ever saving that number. That's it. Quick and easy. Please like this video, subscribe to Tech Flyer, and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.